Alrighty, boys and girls, this is going to be a quick one. I just finished editing and uploading the other two videos that I did, so hopefully you'll have those bright and early in the morning. But it is late. Had a lot to do, busy day at the office, so I stopped by my LGS this morning or this afternoon after work and got a couple more boxes of the Double Masters collectors. Just because I am an addict and I like to open boxes. But while I was there, the gentleman who owns the shop said, "Hey, what about opening a box for the shop?" So I said, "Sure, we'll do that." So this box is actually going to be for the shop. It's Deuce's Wild Games, and there is the contact information. And it's deuceswildgames.com, and there's a telephone number. You can go on the website, order singles. These singles that we pulled today will be on the website. You can scan that little code, and you can email. But if you want some of the singles that we'll be pulling out of this box, that's the way to get them. And I'm also going to be opening a couple of other packs that I bought just randomly because, well, I like to open packs. But first and foremost, we're going to do this one. All these cards will be going back to the LGS to be sold by their store. So if I can manage to get the... Why do they have to make these so difficult, huh? Box within a box. Always fun. All right, there we go. The box within a box. All right, let's see. There's been a little glare from this light, so I'm going to see if I can turn it off. See if it'll... I don't know. Let's see. No, that's a fluorescent light. Well, now you guys get all the lights. There we go. Lights aren't great, so hopefully it won't glare off too much. But we're gonna get into opening these real fast. And yeah, things have just been busy. So we've got 4 packs. Hopefully they're good, but also, you know, hopefully my boxes will be good. But we're just gonna open these today and see what we get. All right, and again, like I said, all these are going back to the store, so even the commons and uncommons. So we're gonna get these commons and uncommons. Let's see. So, some cool commons and uncommons. All right, and then we've got our first extended art common, which is Spell Pierce. And then we have our Mastery Swift Spear and Thought Scour in the foil, and one more foil, Azorius Chancery. All right, so our first rare is, well, it's Hyoid Crasis. That's not great, but you know, as my eyes aren't working quite as well. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. It's another rare. Oh, well, that's a good one. Nice Teferi's Protection. So Teferi's Protection is always a good card. Very useful. Another rare. There we go. We've got the foil etched Imperial Archangel. So nice little angel. Not in the colors I'm building, but... And then another rare, Marchesa, the Black Rose. So let's see, that pack was not the greatest, but it did have a Teferi's Protection. All right, hopefully the next pack will be better. And We'll see what we get here. Teferi's Protection is definitely a useful card. Oh, we've got a Shadowborn Apostle. And the owner of the shop is building that deck, so I'm sure he will be very excited about that. So we will put that aside for him, just to keep that separate. And all right, there we go. Our first full art, and that is the Unearth. And then Orzhov Basilica in an uncommon. Is it Boilerworks? Foil uncommon. And Coiling Oracle, a foil common. Alright. We got a rare. City of Brass. Alright. That is a good card. Excellent. I want to say it's running in the $20 range in foil. Alright, let's see. The next one. Another rare. Ooh, Smothering Tide. Excellent. Oh, I'm going to put that in the wrong pile. There we go. Excellent. Smothering Tide. An excellent full art card. Rare. Necrotic Ooze. Not bad for an etched. And then a rare Grim Flayer. Alright, well, some good cards coming up. You can't all be rock stars. And I will put the prices of these up and try to get this up before I go to sleep tonight. Maybe. We'll see. Maybe tomorrow. All right. We've got anything good coming up in the commons? Well, a Dragon's Arch. There we go. That's got a little bit of a value. Body Double. And then our first full art Dimir Aqueduct. Bloodbraid Elf. Young Pyromancer in the foil. And another Monastery Swift Spear, this time in the foil. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, we got a mythic. Ooh, an Allosaurus Shepherd. This is a good box. Excellent. Excellent. And a rare Force of Negation. Excellent. What? This is a fantastic box. All right. Ken's going to be happy he's getting this box. And then we have a rare Hostage Taker in the etched. And then, oh, that's another mythic in the full art. Crucible of Worlds, full art. Oh, I'm moving everything to the wrong piles. Everything's in the wrong pile. All right, I will get some sleeves out for some of these. We got one more pack, but Crucible of Worlds in the full art mythic foil. Cute little cat token. All right. Well, I mean, I don't think that's three packs out of this box. I don't think you can be disappointed already. Definitely some excellent cards. And we got one more pack to see if we get any hits. All right. Let's see. All right, I don't think there was anything to write home about there. Terminate in the full art. Is it Boilerworks? Again. Unearth again. I mean, you know, honestly, commons and uncommons are common and uncommon. And Selesnya Sanctuary. All right. The rare is Teneb the Harvester. All right, I haven't heard of that one, so. And we have another rare, Gifts Ungiven well, not every pack can be fantastic. And a rare Supreme Verdict. That's not bad. And another rare Assassin's Trophy. All right, so it wasn't the best pack of the box, but definitely got some good hits there, and hopefully Ken will be very happy with what he got. I will be sleeving those up and getting them to him tomorrow so that he can sell those in the shop. So if you're interested, definitely deuceswildgames.com. Again, there's our little card, and then you can always do it with the little print there. All right, I'm going to just put these aside, and I have to get them properly sleeved. And then I'm going to open a few of these, and then we'll get this video edited and out. So he got some Dominaria boxes from not the one that's coming up. Don't get your knickers in a twist. It's all about, this is the old one. Of course, you gotta love these packs that don't want to open. It's probably like a pull tab or something. These are just the regular booster draft cards. Oh, cute. I love that token. I'm sorry. And of course, a Cryptic Spires. And then these are the Japanese. So we're going to end up with the foils. And then, oh, there we go. A Consecrated Sphinx. That's a good hit. I'm not going to complain about that. And I'm just going to move those out of the way so we can keep those. A Weathered Wayfarer. So nothing to write home about there. And anything, you know, because some of these, oh, is it nothing. All right. Let's crack another. I just got, 4 random packs. I will crack the collector's boxes later. In theory, I should be putting them aside, especially with the box that I just cracked for Ken. I think that's probably the top box, but, I can't help myself. All right, we got a foil Casali's Pride Mage and Momentary Blink. And then Azuri Claw of Progress. I mean, it's a mythic, but I doubt it's got a value. I don't know. We'll put it up since it's a mythic. We'll put it up, though. And then Pillar of the Parnums. Yeah, that was sort of a crappy pack. Got a Muldrifter. Anything in there. Some of the cards that we've been seeing in the full art. I don't remember what we're going to be looking for in the Dominaria, so I'm sure, I think there's a Teferi that's got some value. All right. We got our little, okay, so a foil Orza Basilica, a foil Scale Blessing, Bloom Tender, good card to play with, a little bit of a value there. And then Alicia, Who Smiles at Death. All right. Nothing else of any significance there. All right, one last pack. I'll see. All right. Extract from darkness. Amok. No. Anoint bond. All right. Oh, we got a bitter blossom. I think I spoiled that, but that's okay. Bitter blossom is a good hit. And then we have Thraximunder. Okay. Nothing else of major significance. All right, we're gonna open this Dominaria pack and see what we got. I do have to take the time to scan and price these and get them up if we're gonna. I don't like the way these don't slide. Different kind of paper. See, we're still in the commons. I think we're now in the uncommons. Elfheim Druid. Cry Phoenix. Alright. Kamal's Druidic Vow. Not sure that that has any. And then a foil. The first eruption. It's an enchantment. And then we have here the legendary creature with flying and haste. And nothing else to write home about. Alrighty. So there you have it. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. You know, the whole 9 yards. And again, if you're looking to buy some singles, Deuces Wild Games, you can go onto the website and also come into the store. Thank you very much.